farmers do, age-old tradition of flooding the fields for a few months every year. Two reasons they do that. One is it's the algae that's produced is good against certain pests, you know, certain problems. Instead of using, you know, Monsanto, they use nature, use what God produces through the algae. And the government of the Netherlands gives also extra money if they do it in the winter to keep the birds, migrating birds, happily here. So kind of a interesting thing. I don't see this in South Holland, but up here in North Holland it looks to be quite the norm. I thought they were growing rice paddies, but apparently it's just to fertilize the soil. It's right by the beach here too. I mean, off to our right is are the dunes, and around the other side is the North Sea. Pretty wild. Fields they flooded. Environmentally friendly hundsmetting. It's a way to kill all the little insects and stuff and make the ground free of them, and they can grow again in a few months with their crops.